Okay. Yeah, I mean, it was just little over an hour ago that I landed over here, give or take, and airport customs and getting your luggage and all that, and then hiring basically like a little Lyft or Uber. Um, in the morning times, they don't actually, at least during the weekdays, there weren't as many taxis outside on the airport as I was expecting. So that's what sucked. Okay, let's hop on a chart to everything set up. How many people we got in here? We got seven, seven. Okay, so let's see what happens over here. I'll keep that. So we've been coming up. I really want to see the 615 candle. Honestly, I think the 615 candle can really break this. I think it's gonna be a bullish day. And it's just me just looking at things. I have to still sign in on my account. Fuck. What was that account? 522. How's things looking like to y'all? You guys looking at Nas? Y'all looking at YM? Gotta pull up Nas on my MetaTrader. And damn, the screen is bright. Motherfucker. What do I want to do my lot size for the day? I want to do my lot size. Let's stick with 12 lots. It's gonna be the same as yesterday, anyways. All right, so let's see. Let me see you guys chat. US 30 was easier to chart today. This is what I got right now. So this is Dow Jones. Okay, so they're both Dow Jones. Okay. Um, Good stuff. Best of luck. Today honestly should be a much better day than yesterday, or in general, just compared to the last few days of this week. I have a lot of hope for today and tomorrow to end this week off pretty well, to be brutally honest. I think my other MacBook is freezing over here, man. Either that or the latency is not the best. All right, so let's take a look at trade review. Um, we got so it's 6:15 West Coast. So we came up. We're either trying to hold resistance there, or we're basically, which I think we're trying to break something in this area. I genuinely want to say we should be holding. Genuinely want to say we're trying to hold support. I want to see it. Because here's the thing. If it came up, and the third push, it has to break it, retest it, and go up. That's exactly what I see. That's exactly what I want to see. So I want to see it hold support here. I want to see it retest, and I want to see it go back up. That's kind of the setup that I already have in mind. Just looking at this setup right here. Um, with that being said, I don't. If anything, I can only make up this level right here. I mean, you do have that, and you have every time it came up here, it came back down. I really want to see what it does over here. Um, I'm just gonna let this sit. Kind of just look at what she's doing and just play around with my charts a little bit, just so I can see a better read. I mean, we're only 20 points below what I'm expecting. It seems like we're climbing up there, so that seems pretty valid in my opinion. I want to see you guys chat real quick. Best of luck, everybody. Kinda wanna see how I am reacts. I really wanna see what what Nas is gonna do. What blue line? My account got liquidate. What is Timmy talking about? Timmy ended up losing. So we're coming up pretty nicely. I really want to again. I really want to see what we can do up here. Um, we're actually doing this pretty well. I wholeheartedly do think we can and should be breaking this. I mean, there's no way we came out, and even then, these wicks is coming down. You see this wick over here. So if I were to make my rectangle just to show you guys, right? Actually, that might confuse things a little more. You see this candle right here where my cursor is on? You see how the wick came up, came down? So basically, when you see a wick like that to support a resistance, that shows exactly where you want to make your stop loss. So in this case, my stop loss is actually in a pretty good spot. It would be supports over here, 787. Stop loss would be 771.53. But I really, really, really need to see a breakthrough of support, and it seems like we can get here at any given second. And I don't know if she's just gonna shoot off right away or if she's gonna be lingering on top of this. Even if she's lingering on top of this, I want to really, really just get in. I mean, still, I need to see that she's trying to hold it on MT4. She's touching the wicks. What you guys talking about? Holy shit! Where's my boy? Where's my boy Nolan? So we just broke it. Again, guys, best of luck. Let's see what we got going on here. Kind of going with 12 lots and given we only have 15 points of a stop loss. That's actually pretty good. That's really good. What you gonna do now here? So I'm still not in yet. I still want to see. And again, remember, guys, from yesterday's videos, or if I think we have 2 new people in here. When I put that, that means exactly where I entered, right? That's basically where my entry is. So, and in case if she makes this resistance, hey, it is what it is. But I really, really think she can make that support. She, I mean, on MT4, she seems like she broke it, but it's still playing below that. I want to see it break that. God damn, seeing green, blue, and red fucking things when you're all fucked up is like the worst thing ever, dude. I wouldn't wish this on my worst enemy to be seeing all these things when you're mentally just slumped. Oh, Nolan, what's up, bro? I didn't see that you joined. So I'm looking for a break. There it is. I actually just broke it. So if you took a sell, I mean, it might retest it, but if you take a sell, you're gonna get fucked up. In my experience, or in my opinion, I should say. So I want to see what it does. I don't think it'd be bad to get an entry over here, but I want to wait a few seconds, see what it does. Um, I think this is the candle right here. If she comes even close, actually, she's still right on it. She's right on it, right on it, right on it, right on it. I think I'm gonna take a. What are we gonna go up? Are we gonna retrace a bit? What are we gonna do? 787. I'm gonna take a stab at longs here, guys. Again, take this at your own advice. I mean, at your own risk. Don't make this. This is not financial advice or anything of that sort. So, I basically with the spread, I got filled at 792. I'm already just in drawdown because of that spread, which is fine. Which is fine. So let me save it. Holding support resistance. It's holding support. Actually, resistance before and not support. So I really want to see it. We got 12 people in here. Again, guys, for the new people in here, take this at your own risk. You know, at your own. So again, it's actually I'm already up. Even though I'm up 2 points, not 2 points for me is my rent money, or almost close to my rent money. It's more like my share of rent money. I want to see it. Um, I mean, I feel like this thing could be a run. Okay, there we go. Now I'm already up my rent money, my full apartment's rent money. But I really want to see it just run. And what I mean by that is that I mean, I think today could be a great runner. So again, guys, if it comes, God forbid, who knows? But if it comes below this blue line, the blue line on the bottom, I know you guys are seeing so many blue lines, but the blue line on the bottom is my stop loss. If it comes below it, I'm out. You know, sometimes things happen so fast, and if whoever is copying this or is treating this as a signal, which it's not intended to, it's just me just being transparent, win or lose. This is what happens, right? This is where it's happening. This is how it's happening. So, I wouldn't be surprised to see she wants to retest the blue line over here. The middle blue line, the second blue line that my cursor's on right now, that's my support. That's exactly where I want to see it bouncing off of. That white dotted line is my entry. So I entered literally like I want to say 4 or 5 points on top of support. Really, the third blue line is where I have my that would be like an ultimate runner. I realistically speaking, I want to see it basically come here because every time it came up, drop, came up, drop, came up, drop, came back up, drop. It gets a little bit choppy over here. I mean, that's why I was kind of looking at these highs over here. But I mean, you look at where we're at right now, which we're barely just touching 800, 800, and then to say 833. I think that's a very realistic thing. So I'm still floating blues here. I mean, I'm literally just basically 5, 6 points profit. It's not really moving, to be honest. It's just kind of up and down. Um, Holy shit, I'm up 25. What? I did not see the big push. So I think today's gonna be a great runner. Um, I'm up 18 points. Wow, that was a fucking push in the middle of nowhere. Um, what time is it? 6:27. So we have 3 full minutes before New York opening. Um, oh damn, I'm already up. Okay. This is intriguing. So I'll respond to all these once I'm done trading. It kind of just looks like, I mean, I'm close to hitting 30 in profit. She's still climbing. So right now, 24, 23, 24, 26. Where's my entry? My entry, 787. I'm only up 17 points in profit. I don't think right now would be I think right now it's kind of a debatable and controversial time to move your stop loss. Oh shit! See, every time we retrace a little bit, we get the bigger push. I'm definitely moving my stop loss to protect my entry, so I don't have to worry about my stop loss because ideally, where was my stop loss? Um, it's already covering my entry just slightly above. Um, and in case if she comes back down just to retest support, yes, I'm gonna get closed out for profit. But at the end of the day, I will just re-enter if she keeps running back up with that, that whatever with whatever I'm intending. So, hope nobody is questioning. I mean, I see some questions, but no. If you long NQ or NAS right now, you're chasing it. You're chasing it. See, this is what I mean. Like people wait for basically market opening. Market opening. I feel like today market opening is either gonna basically retest this high. It could be anywhere retesting this. So that's literally where it should run. And then it could either retest it, I mean, just flush back down, or it can just be a massive runner. So that's what I was saying in the past. What I would have done is as soon as I'm close to basically exiting, people would get back in, right? And for me, that just would be a pretty sore way to trade. What can we do? I mean, we're already up. I really want to see. I think I'm giving up some of my profits here. I really want to see what's gonna happen. I mean, I want to see this thing just run. I really want to see this thing just run. If it's gonna touch it's gonna touch it. It's gonna touch it. It's gonna touch it, motherfucker. Yep, I'm already out. Let's see if I can get back in. I'm gonna get another buy here. Up, profit. Come on. No, you can't wick this over here. What are you doing? What are you doing? It's gonna tank, motherfucker. It's gonna tank. All right, I'm out. So I'm out with that. That one I did take a loss. That man, that was a brutal one. That was a brutal one, but she's still holding here. Let's see what she could do. Why is she holding? Support, support, support. So she's flushing. Oh man. So she came back up, came back down, holding over here. Let me shoot for a buy here, guys. I made 11K profit on the first. Gave back 7,000. I'm only up 4,300. I'm in a buy. I'm in profit. Either this trade is gonna basically take away my $4,300, or I'm just gonna walk away with some bread. Um, so my entry for this one was right here. It's literally just break even. I mean, two things gonna happen: either she's just gonna snap it, or she's gonna run. And I really want to see this thing fucking shoot up. Same intention, same longing. I should have probably upped my lot size, to be brutally honest. I mean, I'm up in profits. It's not really worth doing shit because it's right there. I don't know what NASA's doing. She's gonna go. She's gotta go. She's gotta fucking go. 775.10. Okay. She's gotta go. I mean, I'm still sticking to my plan. I might be a little bit on the stubborn side here. If I'm gonna get out, it's not gonna be some drawdown. Damn. Still in. I mean, it's just literally hovering in profit and Slight drawdown, slight profit, slight drawdown. I don't really know what's happening. If we're gonna get a runner, we gotta run right now. I mean, we held here. It looks like we came back down, or maybe we tested here. But either way, it does not change anything. That we still gotta have that massive push up and just go. We gotta go up. I think I might just want to get stopped out here, guys, because I don't want to. Can't. What is she doing? That's just so weird. What's she doing? I I might just call it. Fuck it. Nope, I'm out. It's a fully out. It's a loss. That's weird. So let's empty our trash. Let's take another clear look. So we came up. We held. It's a little weird. Why would we hold support resistance there? And now we come back down. Is there anything down here? Hopefully, you guys are safe. If you guys are not in profit. I did take a massive hit on that one. Wow, dude. I thought we could have had a home run on that one. So yeah. Um shoot, I'm out at $49,000 in the red. And it's crazy. I was up 30 and now I'm down 49. That's trading for you. Ouch, right out. Yeah, it's ouchy. It's ouchy. I still want to see this thing push up. It just still has a very bullish chart. Um the question is, I took 3 trades. That's typically my max. Do I want to see it? Do I want to take another trade? Came up, came down, came up, came down. Wick. Which side is this going though? That's kind of a 50-50 one. I wouldn't risk that. I mean, I feel like this could fucking rip it if I get in. Try to chase that for a buy. I'm not. I don't want to risk it if I'm already down 49 to 20. Gave back half of my profits from yesterday. Not gonna lie, I really was hoping for that to be a runner. I mean, and I 100% think this motherfucker will break it, but she'll break it. Damn, that's. Talk to me, guys. What did you guys do? Managed to execute. Nothing. Was nervous to make too much money. Ah, so you crack me up, bro. I managed to execute without hesitation, so I got to. Okay, that's what's up. That's what's up. Ash, how'd you do, friend? So, hey, she's holding it over here. She's holding it here. That's interesting. But I don't trust this all that much. I don't trust that. What'd you say, Ash? You ever close out partials? I can't really do that, or maybe I don't know how to do that with MT4. That's more of a trade locker feature. Um, Recovered 70% of my losses. You're talking about for the whole week, right, Freezes? Yeah. I mean, I should have. I still stand in my bias. Holy shit. I still wanted that to break. Because here's another thing, too, guys. So, um, how much did we flush, first of all? I mean, we're just going. That's damn near 100 points. Say it. It will. Here's the thing, guys. It's like, okay, Monday we had a nice push up. Tuesday, what was it? Tuesday was a push up. Wednesday and today we both. Yesterday I had a nasty sell off. I thought the bears basically was already gone coming into the markets today. Look at the setup. Like I said, with that picture, right? Um, came up, came up. Ideally, I wanted to see it break it, which it did, and then I wanted to see it just shoot up. I did not think she would come up over here just to drop, and it makes me wonder, what we have to the left over here. I mean, that's not really motherfucker. Now NASA's going. NASA's motherfucking going. I did not think that she would hold resistance over there. Let's delete these things. Let's take a look. Motherfucker. So where was it? It was my line was right here. I want to take a look. I mean, I kind of am contemplating whether I want to take another stab at basically a buy or whatever may be the case, so I can try to get some of my losses back. So we're holding. What are we holding here? You know what? Well, that's gonna be a chase. That's already 20 points above the line. If we can have another bounce off of this, I see no harm. I think that's fair game. But I do want to see it get a little bit closer. If it can come close to like the 720s, even if it's 723, 24, would want to see the thing run. Until then, we shall wait. We shall wait. We shall wait. Ideally, you guys would want to de-risk. You definitely don't want to take a bigger lot size. I'm still keeping my same lot size. Um, and hey, if we run it, then we run it, right? Or maybe if you're already in, hey, just adjust. Make sure you're adjusting your stop loss to protect yourself, to protect your capital. Um, I mean, this trend is very much bullish. Even if we had a little, even if we had a little come down, bearish momentum at New York opening, it's still a matter of fact before we push back up. So 743, 720. I want to see her get a little bit closer. Oh man, 49K in the red. The most. This is like the second most I've ever been down. But, it comes with it. It comes with it. Not every day. It's gonna be sunshine, rainbows. Kind of have a feeling Nas actually wants to dump from the top over there. I'm a little bit scared, like if she's holding something in this area, because that's kind of what it's giving me. And what if with the area that I wanted to basically see it hold support, what if it's gonna hold resistance? Because it really, really looks like that. It's really, really holding it. Okay. All right. So let's see if we held this. I don't think that's fair. If we held this, but let's see what we can do here. If we held this, ideally we want to see something like that. We have wicks. It'd be better like that. That's gonna be pretty massive, ain't it? Yeah, it is. Um, that's what we got going on here. Do I have any? Who's mouse trades? I did not take a short. Want to see what this next candle does with the 645 candle. I know she's gonna. If she doesn't break this, then I would want to anticipate another sell-off. Cha. Let me take a stab at it long. I mean short. Worst case scenario, I give up yesterday's profits. So I'm I entered right here for a short. Um 14, 15, 13K in blues. I mean, I'm walking away with some type of profit here no matter what. And I'm making sure that 25, 27, 29, 24, 22. Are we retracing here, motherfucker? So game up, game down, game up. We could be holding. I'm gonna look to the left, look to the left, look to the left. 21,000 still floating. Positions open. I want to see it 31. If I can, how much am I down? 49. If I can get close to 40, I might just panic close, to be brutally honest. But hey, I do want to see this thing come down. I don't see anything here, to be honest. Why is this fucker retracing? Is she retracing? Is there something here that I'm missing out? Come on, baby. So I adjusted my stop loss to my entry. Kind of looks like I'm going to get stopped out here, to be honest, guys. In profit. What is he doing, you dumb, dirty dog? I'll make sure I'm a little bit patient with it. Okay, so now we broke 30s. How much am I down again? 49. I mean, she still has... She breaks that, I know I'll be in a safe zone. But she gotta break it. I want to say this. It's really gotta flush it. dirty dog. You dirty dog. So we have those wicks up. But if anything, that should indicate that we're gonna be dropping past it. I'm just in, it's hovering above 30K in profits. I want to see a tank. I mean, I want to really don't want to see it retrace much from here. Come on, man. I'm kind of scared she's gonna just take me out. I'm still in. What's my entry again? Come on, you still gotta push, bro. There's nothing for you to be bouncing. I mean, yeah, that's kind of an iffy zone because you have two bodies, wicks, but you gotta fucking flush it, dude. You gotta flush it. Gotta flush it. I want to see come back to this blue line down here because that you're in a free man zone. Let's see. All right, so I'm up 43, 40, 38, 37. Come on, bro. You gotta flush it. You're already right there. You gotta flush it, my brother. This is gonna be one of the choppy ones, huh? Because it keeps retesting my entries and flushing, retesting, retracing, flushing. 45, 46. Come on, just drop massively, and then I'll be break even. You gotta hit this wick down here, and that's exactly okay. So 60. Come on, can I walk away with some profits, baby? You got generous. You got talk to you like a big boy Latia. 71. 71. You can fucking retrace it. You will bounce off that. Come on. Come on, big booty Latina. So Colombiana. Colombia mama. 70, 73, 75. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Still 71, 68, 72. What you gonna do? What you gonna do with the 96? What you gonna do with the big fat butt? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. So we broke it. We're flushing nice. Actually, guys, I'm gonna just close it here. Fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it. I'm out in profit. Might as well recover my loss. I might as well, right? So, how much am I up? Oh, I'm up 40 fucking K. Okay. 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 Oh my god, I was sweating. I'm sweating in that. So, give me a. Yeah, I'm sweating. I did not even sweat yesterday. Give me 1 minute. Let me just drink some water, wash my hands, and then we'll talk about it, okay? I just now noticed we got 13 people in here. All right. So 717. You telling me I actually got out right on that fucking wick? 717 is my exit. Yo, I think I actually got out right where she was wicking. Well, actually, she floated another or dropped another 10 points. But All right, so let's talk about it, guys. See, I don't know who was asking me yesterday, or maybe somebody left a DM and I didn't. I probably skimmed it, opened it, and I didn't respond. But we have somebody else to join. Um, so I took a buy, I took two buys. So it's the first one I got in. I was already up 30K. I should have. I was kind of considering taking profits, but I didn't want to bitch out. But I moved my stop loss to entries. Um, I secured. I secured $7,300. Or sorry, 12.3. Yeah, it was 12.36. So 12,000 was my first trade. That was my break even once she reflected down. Taking a buy, get. I did give almost all that away. I was just sitting up $4,300. Third, um, well, at that point, I just think that's when I tried to get another buy because that one really murdered me. That's where that Nas just tanked. She was holding it and then she just tanked. That's also when I realized, okay, we're just gonna drop here, right? So I took four trades. Um, actually, all of them are buys. um, or all three. The first three were buys, and the fourth one, which was over here, I took a sell. Ideally, as you guys can tell, I was really scared here. Um, if we just break it down to 1 minute time frame, you guys can see like how much bullshit I was holding it. So she came, obviously it was this candle, she came down, was just holding it here, right? So we're consolidating for what? We're consolidating for 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes, and then that massive tank. Um, yeah, if I really wanted to make well, I'm still up 40,000. I shouldn't bitch about it. So yeah, four trades, three buys, one sell. Crazy. Some of you guys can and probably should learn, but sometimes being stubborn can cost you. Um, and then when I finally realized, you know what? Since we're in a bullish trend, we're gonna be bullish. We're gonna be bullish. I mean, she might come for the third time to retest this, but she's got to break this to the upside. She's got to break it. Um, if we had a massive, basically below this, I don't look at trend lines, by the way, guys. I'm just using this for an example. I mean, yeah, sure, it goes in my thought process, like the direction, the trend. Hardly Sometimes it does break the trend. It just kind of just depends on the setup. I mean, I'm not gonna really talk about that right now, to be honest. But I knew that if we're gonna break this blue line and if we're gonna just drop below it, then I knew that it was gonna be a bearish day. Bearish sentiment from New York session. But I can't really explain the setup um, any more than whatever I've done because I'm still. Obviously I got fucked up. I got burnt from my first three trades and I had no option but just to kind of acknowledge what we did, which is we came up and we dropped and we kept coming up and we just dropped. So at that point, I just wanted to take advantage of the repeated behaviors. And um, I would not be surprised at all to see again third leg if we can just retest this and just go for a massive pusher. But hey, I'm I'm sitting good still. Gotta go back to sleep. It's more like me just trading live, bro. Whatever happens, happens. So, I'm. I don't even. Do you guys have any questions? Whoever has any questions, just type them out and respond. I don't want to just end the call and be like, and leave. How did you? Yeah. Well, I still ended to the green. At one point, I was. Did I take a screenshot of it? I did not take a screenshot of it. Yeah. I mean, at one point, I was down 49,000. Um, my first three trades did bury me. I mean, it's crazy because when my very first trade, I was telling you guys, like, oh shoot, I'm floating 30K. Every time she would trace close to my entry, she just kept pushing up pre-market. So, Um, I just did not think New York opening we would flush right away. Um, I think I kind of jinxed that. Didn't I say something like, whoever takes a sell over here is gonna get fucked up, and then on the other hand, I'm the one that got fucked up. uh, but yeah, my third, actually my fourth trade, which was a sell. Again, this sell right here, that's the one that saved me. That one was a little over 100K of a trade because I recovered at 49,000 of a loss and made 40.4K in the blues. So yeah, yeah, that's that. Of course, bro. I think he already left though. Does anybody else in here have anything else they want to ask or say? LeBron, I gotta tell you, my dog. You okay? So you also trade support and resistance, right? We've kind of been going back and forth in it with our in our DMs. Um, Pre-market, I mean, today's not even a great day for me just to tell you exactly what happened to me because I, the hard truth is I took three losses, um, technically three losses, and then my fourth trade was just me changing my bias, flipping it, just acknowledging what we did in the past. And that's another thing that with every strategy you have to acknowledge. I think a lot of ICT traders, they don't really care about what's been going on. They just hop on the, wait, I want to see if this person's in here. So, Elijah, I'm gonna give you a little shout out here, bro. Um, Alrighty, bro. Take care. Elijah, you can't. I look at the 15-minute time frame, bro. You can't hop on to the 15-second. I don't even have that plan. You can't hop on to the small time frames. You can't even hop on to the 1 minute time frame and understand everything, right? So it's like even if you got on a 1 minute time frame or the smaller time frames like 15 second, how would you have been able to see that? Hey, we were climbing up. I'm gonna take a sell here right now. I mean, unless if you're scalping and using what's it called? Like if you're moving your stop loss to entry and trailing it, that's literally the only profitable way for that type of style of trading. Could be extremely stressful though. I know a handful of people trade the 5 minute time frame. Honestly, the 5 minute time frame looks much cleaner than the 1 minute or anything less. I personally think the 15 minute is the best because I did come from trading 30 minutes and 1 hour, with the penny stocks and just my whole career thus far. So, but then when I realized that 30 minute and the 1 hour, especially since NAS and US 30, the prices aren't the same as like 3, 4 years ago, I realized, okay, the 15 minute time frame is like the most efficient one. Um, so just to say that, uh, yeah, let me, let's take this over. I think somebody's typing here. Let's take this over to how did you mark out the zones? Dude, brother, you really just gotta read the patterns, like what Nas has been doing. You really gotta just look at all to the left, the pattern and those levels match. Hey, why don't we take this to let's take it to the lounge. I wanna hear everybody's I wanna hear you guys talk instead of just typing. All right, guys, I'm gonna end this. Let's shift over to the lounge, all right? Let's chat right here. All right. Reasons? Oh shit, my thing was low. Hey, bro, what's up? Mm-hmm. I almost got. Were you in the stage the whole time? I almost got fucked up, dude. But yeah, had a pretty good recovery, I'd say. Not what I was expecting. Uh, I thought other people would be joining here too. Theo actually set up. It's kind of weird how Theo didn't even stay the whole time, did he? I think he left halfway or something. Yeah, he set up the stage for me, and I didn't even know how to fucking set it back up so I could talk. That's good, man. That's good. Hey, Theo, what's up? Hey, bro. And not like I'm complaining. But why'd you set up the stage for me, dog? Theo set up the stage for me. Not. I mean, I'm just genuinely curious. I'm not coming at you. Okay, he left. Too simple to be true. I got some DMs here to respond to. Tell me about what happened at US too. You said that long? Sure, bro. Go for it. I see. Hey, Theo, what's up, bro? Can't hear you, bro. Your voice, it's muffled. Is that okay? There you go. Okay. Yeah, loud and clear. Hey, bro. Thanks for setting up the stage. Not gonna lie, I was kind of like, wait, these guys are all sitting and expecting me, so it kind of had me a little bit like surprised when I saw that first. Let me restart my Discord. This thing's acting up. There we go. Had a good recovery and hey, LeBron, what's up? There we go. Now I can hear you. You okay? Um, how do I explain this? You have to you have to really understand candle structure. Do you understand candle structures and how to read candles in terms of patterns? Whether we're expecting, um, whether like were you there the whole stream? Okay, okay, so yeah, that makes sense. Um, no, I ended up 40K in profit. No, at first I was in the red 49. Yeah, actually, yeah, yeah, yeah. I see what you're saying. It was. Yeah, closer to 100. I think it might have been 96, 98. What's 49 plus 40? Nine, yeah, 99, 98, and that's after fees. So definitely had hit 100. Yeah, that was a little disturbing, not gonna lie. And just upsetting, not disturbing to be honest, when it had happened. Farizas, can I actually trust you in teaching LeBron supporting resistance? Yeah, I mean it doesn't have to be right now, but it could be any time today if you have the availability. Or I know another person, Ash. Yeah, but Vito also trades support and resistance. It's just that they look at the 5 minute time frame. It's still the same. Look, in terms of the whole strategy is still the same thing. It's just the two differences is one is on a 5 minute time frame, one's on a 15 minute. Vito is in the five, I'm on a 15. And then the biggest difference after the whole analysis, the whole charting aspect is just the entry. So which one's better? I mean you can be profitable in both and I think both strategies are great. It's just up to your liking. I don't wanna obviously I do have my own strats, so I'm not gonna be like I don't wanna be like, oh like yeah, it's my strats, that's the best, this and that, you know? But if you understand Vito strat, then you should realistically speaking be understanding of my strat because it's just the same thing. And when you really are good with Vito's level, then you should be really good with my strategy because it's just zooming out on one bigger time frame. Yeah, it's just your eyes aren't familiar with the pattern yet. That's all it's about. Recognition, um, and just repeating. But support and resistance. Um, fuck it, I'll just share my screen. Let me just send this text real minute. One last minute. Yeah, I mean, I did explain this stuff towards the beginning, and I was like, wait, if you asked me this stuff, then you clearly weren't here in the beginning. Um, he's in a call right now. All right, LeBron, hop on my stream.